Welcome back. We continue to follow the case of a teenager who died after a Halloween party in Queen Creek. There are still no arrests after the death of 16-year-old Preston Lord. Police have identified multiple persons of interest and gotten hundreds of tips, and they have a large amount of evidence to sort through before making an arrest. And now the FBI is involved. Joining me for a legal deep dive once again, criminal defense attorney Hector Diaz with Diaz Law. Okay, it's been about a month now since his death. As we had said earlier, multiple persons of interest, a lot of tips. What are they looking for now if they already have some people that they're looking at?
So in order to arrest somebody or in order to charge somebody, there has to be a certain level of evidence, right? And we call it probable cause in order to formally charge somebody. And so here, I'm certain that, the law enforcement, that they want to get all of this information compiled. They don't want to make mistakes, and they want to make sure that they have probable cause when they take that case and present it over to the county attorney and say, here is the suspect, here's who did it.
Yes,
right?
Because as we've seen before, if they don't have enough evidence and they take it to the county attorney's office, the attorney's office may kick it back to local police.
We've seen that a lot. Yeah, we've
Yeah.
seen that a lot. And the county attorney has a responsibility also in making sure, hey, we're not going to charge anything where we also, after reviewing it, believe that probable cause doesn't exist, so go back and continue your investigation. So I think Queen Creek, and other associated law enforcement agencies helping, they want to get it right.
Right, so the FBI is now involved. Why do they need to help a local police department?
So, a lot of times when we think FBI, we see them on TV, we think federal offense. They're investigating some, really high-profile, white-collar related offense, and that's not really true. They work on various task force with local law enforcement, and local law enforcement welcome that help because they recognize that the FBI and the, other agencies, the DEA, these other federal law enforcement agencies, they come with a wide array of investigative tools that local law enforcement don't have. So in this case, they may be looking at cell phone evidence. They may be looking at computer evidence, and the FBI is going to have a bit more in terms of forensic experience and forensic tools to really look at that information and compile it quickly for Queen Creek.
All right, Hector, thank you.